Hi everyone, this week we are taking a look at the 2025 Nissan Frontier. This is a mid-size pickup truck with prices that start right around $32,000 for the base 4x2 model. This one here is the top-end SL 4x4 with the long bed, and this one checks in right around $48,000. So let's hop inside and let's see what's new for 2025 on the Nissan Frontier. Under the hood, the Frontier continues to offer a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. This engine pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission that provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. It's available with either 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, and there's a Pro 4X trim that features additional off-road capabilities, such as an electronic locking rear differential, Bilstein off-road performance shocks, and skid plates. The exterior of the Frontier has changed slightly for 2025 with a new front fascia that includes a new grille and new front bumper to give it a freshened appearance. SV models also get new wheel designs that are 17 inches, and the Pro X and Pro 4X get new tailgate designs to give it a little more of a rugged look. There's also a new paint color in a bright orange to give the Frontier some new flair. Nissan now offers a crew cab with a long 6-foot bed across all trims, including the Pro 4X and SL. This configuration provides increased cargo capacity without compromising passenger space, catering to those needing both utility and comfort. Another update to the Pro 4X trim includes an intelligent around view monitor with an off-road mode that operates at up to 12 miles per hour. This system provides real-time views of obstacles and terrain, which further enhance off-road navigation and safety. Hopping inside, all trims now come equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, the Pro 4X and SL trims now include 4-way power adjustable seats, and the SL trim adds wireless phone charging and a 360-degree camera system. Nissan has also made several safety features standard across all trims that include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, rear parking sensors, and automatic high beams. These additions aim to provide a safer driving experience for all Frontier owners. That's a wrap of my look at the 2025 Nissan Frontier. For the full review, you can visit DriveChicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And give us a follow on our other social channels, including X, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.